guys, this is Anton, aka the Bigfella, bringing another video. I know it's been a long time coming, and I'm sorry about this, but it is time to go ahead and do the unboxing for last month and announce the winner for this thing. As you can see, I'm still having a hard time shutting the box because I wanted to go ahead and pack it so full because it's so late. But here it is, right here, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. There's something on top of the box I want to save for last, but I'm throwing in one of my die-cast stickers in here, and one of these stickers. This is Wife Calling Me Home. He does fishing trips out of Pennsylvania. Make sure you go follow him on Facebook. Hit him up. Maybe he'll take you out. I plan on going out with, if I can't go out with him this year, I'm definitely going out with him next year. But I'm going to go ahead and get into the baits that are inside this box here. First thing we're going to start off with 2 Menace jigs. Fortunately, Menace baits shut down, so these are kind of premium right now. I have some left over inside, but I've been keeping them to myself, but I'm willing to let a couple of these go. I forget the names of the colors. This is just like your typical like shad color. This one is like a brown, black, gold color. Right there, I'm throwing that in. We also have a Monster Bass Patriot 2.0 topwater bait. We have a who makes this? Catchco, and this is a Colorado Cycle Blade. Check out the linkage on this bad boy here. Some heavy duty stuff there. And some Guggen Saucy swimmer baits. Then Weston, is this a square bill? Yep, square bill here. What are they calling that color? Color, where are you? Chartreuse blue crawl. And a ducket fishing jerk bait. Baker Lures jerk bait as well. Trying to get some stuff going for the chain, like the turnover and stuff like that. Get y'all on some fish. D&L tackle, the Bradley Roy special. It's like a little finesse jig there. And you can never go wrong with an all-white chatterbait as well. And a diesel jig, football jig. And I found this sticker lying around somewhere, so I decided to throw it in the box. Loading y'all up with some stickers, some terminal tackle with a wide gap worm hook here. This is a 3/0, 4/0, 4/0. And then I forgot where I found this thing at. It's a Lawless Lures, a recoil bait minnow. It's like a soft plastic. I think I had this lying around the house too. I'm not sure if it's like a jerk bait or what it is, like a soft jerk bait. Oh, okay, I see. You rig it up, there's like little holes in the tail, and you run the hook through it, and you can pop it, and it like jerks kind of funny, almost like a wacky rig style. Oh, and then last but not least, I'm throwing in this Eternal Anglers bait binder. I have one for myself already. Unfortunately, this company shut down as well, but if you get yourself a carabiner, hook it on there. I like to hook it on my belt loop on my shorts as I'm fishing. I'll just take this and a rod and a couple baits that I want to use. It has a couple pouches in it as well with little zipper things on top. That way it can help keep your stuff dry. But that's all I got for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my stuff here to see who won all this stuff. So give me a second here. I didn't even pull this up. I don't even know why. Apologize about that. Lots been going on here lately. As I'm pulling this up, I'll tell you guys a little bit about it. But work for me has finally picked up. My company that I work for actually picked up a couple of new customers, and they have been keeping me busy. I've been going into Northern Virginia. Unfortunately, I don't really like going up there, but they pay the bills for me, so got to do what they say. Haven't been doing much fishing, unfortunately. Actually, me and the wife went out yesterday. I got a little bit of fishing footage, so we'll be able to post a video about that this Saturday, so hope you guys stick around so you can catch that. Yeah, what else has been going on in my life? I don't even know what month this is. I'm sorry. August. Thank you, Gavin. All right, I think I found the video here. And I just need to pull up my random comment picker, the one I always like to use. Unfortunately, I'm thinking about switching pickers because now they're asking about subscribing, and like for all the basic stuff that I was using, they're going to want to start, like charging people for it. So I'm like, I don't know. Let's see. We got to do the math problem captcha. God, they changed it up so much. Get YouTube comments. Okay, I think I'm ready now. It's thinking. All right. So all I need to do is go ahead and click that button here, and we're going to go ahead and announce a winner. Let's see. Round and round we go. I don't know why those lines are in there. It does that with this camera. Congratulations, George Kennedy. You just won the Bigfella box giveaway. Sorry that I did this so late, but I want to try to get this box out to you as soon as possible. Do me a favor. Shoot me an email over at bigfellaoutdoors@gmail.com, and I'll go ahead and get this box sent out to you. I'm going to try to box it up the best I can. For those of you that didn't win, don't worry. There's another contest going on right now for the month of August. So click on that little card up there in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and that'll take you over there to enter for a chance to enter to win a box just like this. I'm still trying to save up to get my own Bigfella boxes. I have them in the cart. I'm just trying to save up the money to order those bad boys. It should be like a 2-year supply, so I should be good for a while. I think that is all I got for you guys. Again, sorry for the lack of videos here lately. Things have just been busy. But I want to thank you very much for tuning in and watching this episode of Bigfella Outdoors. Be sure to tune into the next episode. You can catch me outside doing a little most, getting my dose of the great outdoors. Be sure to get y'all's too.